Welcome to GetSales. I'm Peter, co-founder and CRO, and I'll take less than 5 minutes to show you why we built this and how it's going to change your outreach. Years ago, while I was selling a different product to an Amazon team, they asked me a question that stayed with me. Peter, what are the superpowers of your company? That's exactly why we built GetSales. We didn't want to build just another tool. We're focused on real superpowers that are solving your actual pain points. Today, I'll show the three biggest ones. First is LinkedIn safety. Every tool says they're safe until you get banned. And like everyone else, we don't ask you to trust. We give you the tech to prove it. GoLogin integration. We've built GoLogin Shield directly into our system. You get the highest quality fingerprints and total stability without ever giving us your two-phase secrets. Single session protection. This is our unique advantage. Usually, you cannot touch your account while automation is running. With GetSales, you access it through the same session via cloud browser. LinkedIn sees one person, one session, zero triggers. You can even manually add cookies or scroll the feed to look more human. Intelligence. While you sleep, our system scores your account health, warms it up, and randomizes every single action. We don't just send messages, we protect your asset. Next, let's talk about money. Most platforms charge you $100 per seat. That's a growth tax. The more you succeed, the more they punish you. We do it differently. Connect 5 accounts, that's just $40 per seat. Scale into 50 or 100, the price drops down to $10 per seat. We don't force you into expensive tiers. Also, stop paying for separate email tools. You get 5 email inboxes per sender for free. And if you are a fan of another sequencer, no problem. You can still use our multi-channel inbox for free to manage everything in a single place. If you're an agency stuck on another tool with high costs, talk to us. We'll help you make the switch. Third is general power. We've been there for 6 years. GetSales isn't just a side project. It's a rock-solid system with hundreds of backup servers. Unified inbox. Stop jumping between 50 LinkedIn tabs. Everything is synced in one place. Pro Automation Builder. You can hook up multiple accounts, edit campaigns on the go, restart leads from top automatically, and even make API calls. It's built for complex professional workflows. Full transparency. No black box here. You see every scheduled, canceled, failed task. If something stops, you fix it with one click. And a quick bonus. Have you heard we are building our own CLAY alternative? Stop paying for 5 different tools just to find, clean, and score your leads. Soon you'll have a simple Clay-like interface inside GetSales to validate data and preview AI personalized messages without the insane credit markups. Sign up for early access in May. Start a free trial today. No card, no strings. Get access to the best software. Get sales and get sales. We believe in you.